yourself. Katie sir, everybody knows now. Bridge course, lecture number 5. In the lecture number 4, we discussed some positive ions and negative ions and nomenclature of the inorganic compound. So now, here we are going to once again how formula forms from the ions, positive ion and negative ion. So one of them Na plus, charge of sodium is plus 1 and phosphate having minus 3 minus. So in last lecture we discussed the compound should be neutral by charge. Here plus 1, so it should be 1. Here minus 3, so here should be 3. So cross multiplication, 3 multiply to sodium and 1 to phosphate. So sodium will be 3 times, phosphate will be 1 time. So Na3PO4 is our formula. Why we are taking 3 times sodium? So total will be plus 3. Phosphate having minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 cut because of compound should be neutral. Here name sodium and phosphate. First positive radical in nomenclature comes, then after negative ion. So sodium phosphate is the name of the compound. Understood? Now second example, calcium with phosphate. So what happens there? Calcium having 2 plus and phosphate having charge minus 3. Here after this nomenclature we will discuss about balancing of chemical reaction, and I will give a trick to balance easily. How to balance? First we will discuss here. Plus 2 means 2. Charge we are neglecting. For close multiplication, 3 multiply to calcium and 2 to phosphate. So calcium 3 times and phosphate 2 times. Understood? So here plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means plus 6. Minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 minus 3 means minus 6. So both will be cut. So we are taking calcium 3 times and phosphate 2 times. Here bracket is compulsory. Why? If we take PO4 and 2, so meaningless. આનો કોઈ meaning રહેતો નથી. It is meaningless. Actually whole phosphate should be twice. Here 2 indicates only oxygen is twice, otherwise 42, meaningless. So in this case we have to take phosphate into bracket. So why here bracket is not taken? Here only one element, here 2 type of elements. Calcium is only one element, not C and A. Both are not separate, only one element. So no need to take a bracket. So here is not taken bracket, but phosphate compulsory comes in bracket. So give the name whatever. Calcium is 1 time, 2 times or 3 times. Calcium phosphate is our answer. Understood? Now K plus n mn of or minus K plus n mn of or minus K plus means potassium, Mn of or minus. In last lecture we discussed the name of the negative ion permanganate. Yes. So both plus 1 minus 1 cut. So directly it is the Kmn of 4. So potassium permanganate, which is potassium permanganate. Now what about K plus and MnO2 minus? Here charge is plus 1 and here is the 2 minus. Charge we are neglecting, so here should be 1, here should be 2. 2 multiply 2 potassium and 1 to MnO4 cross multiplication. So potassium comes 2 times, MnO4 2 minus 1 time. So K2 MnO4. So name of the compound is now potassium manganate, not permanganate. MnO4 minus is a permanganate, where MnO4 2 minus is only manganate. So this one is potassium manganate. Understood? Friends, I hope you are enjoying your lecture. Then like my video, share and subscribe and send to your friends. Here Cu2 plus and Cl minus. So Cu2 plus means cupric. This one chloride. So here 1 and here 2. 2 multiply 2 chloride, 1 multiply 2 cuprous. So Cu 1 time, chlorine 2 time. Yes, CuCl2. Why? 2 chloride possesses total charge minus 2 and 1 cupric already having plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cut. So CuCl2. Cupric chloride is the name of the compound. Whenever charge is the same, so don't make cross multiplication. Yes, sir. Plus 2 means 2, minus 2 means 2. Charge is already equal. So don't make a cross multiplication. Direct cupric sulfate. Cupric sulfate. Otherwise copper sulfate is common name. Copper sulfate also. This compound also we calls as copper sulfate. Now calcium with HCO3 minus. Here HCO3 minus is bicarbonate. This one calcium plus 2. So here 2. We are neglecting charge 1 for cross multiplication. Calcium should be 1 time. Bicarbonate should be 2 times. So calcium 1 time. Bicarbonate 2 times, so twice compulsory. Why? We are not taking bracket, it means 32, 3, it's the meaningless. So bicarbonate is 2 times. So we are taking into bracket out of here twice. So it means bicarbonate is 2 times. So total charge minus 2 and plus 2 cancel. So name of the compound is calcium bicarbonate. Positive radical comes first in written and in reading. Calcium bicarbonate, and compound should be neutral by charge. Like this, sometimes here Fe2 plus is given and O2 minus. So charge is already balanced. Copper having plus 2 and oxide having minus 2. It is already balanced. So not need to cross multiply to it. So direct plus 2 minus 2 cut. Ferrous oxide. Yes, Fe plus 2 is ferrous. O minus 2 is oxide. So name ferrous oxide. But Fe3 plus and O2 minus. Here compulsory we have to take a cross multiplication. Why? Charge is different. 3 means 3. Minus 2, 2. 2 multiply to Fe and 3 to oxygen. So Fe 2 times, oxygen 3 times. So ferric oxide. Ferrous oxide, and this one ferric oxide. Ferrous oxide, and here is a ferric oxide. Understood? 2 times Fe3 plus means total charge plus 6. 3 times oxide means total charge minus 6. So charge is balanced. So formula should be Fe2O3. I am giving you another example. Copper. When you are having plus 1 charge, so cuprous, Cu plus 2 is the cupric, this one cuprous, and chloride. So no need to multiply. Plus minus cancel, direct CuCl. So cuprous chloride. Cuprous chloride is the name of the compound. Whenever charge are same, so no need to cross multiply by each other. Like this SN having 2 plus charge. So it is stannous. Chloride having minus 1 charge. Here compulsory 1 and 2. 2 multiply to chloride and 1 to SN. So SN Cl2. So it is a stannous. Stannous. Sn plus 2 means stannous chloride. Here chloride 2 times whatever. 1 or 3, 4 only chloride. Chlorine 1 time or 2 time or 3 time only chloride. Stannous chloride. Sometimes Sn plus 4 and Cl minus 1. So here 4 and here 1. 1 multiply to Sn and 4 to chloride. So SnCl4, this is a stannic chloride. Stannous chloride and stannic. Why? Sn plus 4 is a stannic. Understood? Now we are going to our new trick, balancing of chemical equation. How to balance chemical equation. Yes, that's the trick. Balancing of chemical reactions. How to balance a chemical reaction? So there is a trick and I am giving you. We will start with simple examples. HCl is a hydrochloric acid. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium chloride and water. Understood? This is our reaction. Left hand side given compounds are called reactants, and right hand side given compounds are called products. Yes. So first we have to take LHS left hand side. This part is after arrow is right hand side, before arrow is a left hand side. So here which type of elements are there? You can see 4 type of elements: hydrogen, chlorine, sodium, oxygen. Hydrogen repeats. So first હવે left hand side જેટલા elements હોય same type of elements should be present on right hand side. Now we have to count total number of atoms of the element on left hand side and on the right hand side. Here hydrogen 1 and 1, 2. 1 hydrogen and 1. On left hand side total hydrogen 2. You can see chlorine is 1 times. On right hand side also 1 time. Here oxygen is 1 time. Here oxygen is 1 time. Sodium is 1 time. Here also sodium is 1 time. H2, yes, 2 multiply to hydrogen. H2 no means H2 no meaning થાય છે 2 times hydrogen. So this reaction is already balanced. So no need to balance it. Already it is balanced. Yes. Now we are going to another example. There is a trick. Yes. Now our trick starts from here. Sulfuric acid is reacting with sodium hydroxide. H2SO4 is reacting with sodium hydroxide. We know now sodium NOH, sodium hydroxide, and sulfuric acid. Na2SO4 means sodium sulfate and water. Clear? Now first of all left hand side and right hand side. Elements are hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, sodium. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. Here also hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen and sodium. We have to do rough work for balancing reaction. Now we have to count total hydrogen on left hand side. H2 means 2 times hydrogen. Here is 1. So 2 plus 1. So total 3. Here hydrogen 2 times. Sulfur. So 1. Check करवाना. Only 1. Here only 1. Oxygen 4. Here 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. Plus 1. So total will be 5. Here 4 oxygen and plus 1, total 5. Now sodium is 1 time here, but here 2 times. Here 2 sodium, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. 2 hydrogen, 1. So total is 5 oxygen. Understood? Now, which elements are same? Sulfur and oxygen. So, never start with them. Sulfur and oxygen. The same elements હોય, number of atoms same હોય, જે elements ના, ત્યાંથી balancing start નહીં કરવાનું. Never should be start balancing whenever elements are same. We have to start with different number of atoms of the element. Here sodium having 1 times, here 2 times. Hydrogen also 3 times, here 2 times. Hydrogen and sodium are not same. So, समझे कि trick whenever element has the same number of atoms, so never start with it. We have to start with different number of atoms both sides of the element, hydrogen and sodium. But another trick I am giving you. Here hydrogen comes into different compounds. So don't start with them. So sodium comes in only one compound on left hand side. Here sodium comes in only one compound on right hand side. So we have to start with our sodium. Here 2. અહીંયા 2 નહીં મૂકવાનું. Here 2. Compound ની આગળ અહીંયા પણ 2. It is not allowed. Na2OH no. Here 2. Yes, 2 times. So now sodium is our balanced. But oxygen is changed. You can see 2 multiplied to all compound. So 2 sodium, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Here oxygen is changed. Oxygen is now 4 plus 2. આ 2 બધાને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશે. 2 sodium, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. So 4 plus 2. So here is 6. So here is only 4. So multiply by 2. 4 plus 2, let's 6. So both sides 6, 6. Now hydrogen 2 plus 2, 4. Here 2 2 ja 4. 2 multiply to oxygen and 2 multiply to hydrogen. So 2 2 ja 4. So now this is our balanced reaction. Understood? Now third one, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 is the sodium carbonate. Is reacting with hydrochloric acid. Sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, gives sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Now first of all, right hand side and left hand side. Elements are sodium, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and chlorine. Another side also sodium, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and chlorine. Tell me, number of sodium atoms are 2 on left hand side. On right hand side sodium is 1. Here carbon is 1. Here also carbon 1. 2 is only multiplied to oxygen, not to carbon. અહીંયા 2 હોય તો multiply થાય ગઈ. Here 2 indicates only 2 times oxygen. Here oxygen indicates 3 times oxygen. 3 times oxygen. Here 2 and here 2 plus 1. So 3 oxygen. Hydrogen is 1 time. But here 2 times. H2 means 2 times hydrogen. 2 hydrogen atom. Chlorine is 1 time. Here chlorine also 1 time. Which elements are same? So don't start with it. Carbon, cancel. Oxygen, cancel. Chlorine, cancel. So now we have two choices to start balancing reaction from sodium, otherwise from hydrogen. But yes, we can take sodium here only in one compound, here also in only one compound. So we can start with sodium, otherwise with hydrogen. Sodium is 2, so here should be 2. So agar 2 mukwan. Put down value 2. So now you can see our chlorine will be changed. Sodium is 2, it's okay. But chlorine is now 2. So here 2 comes. We have to multiply by 2 of HCl. So chlorine is now balanced. 2 and 2. Understood? Both sides. Now hydrogen is 2. Here is 1. So 2. 2 times hydrogen, 2 times chlorine. So 2 hydrogen. So here 2 times hydrogen. And now oxygen is 3. Here 2 plus 1, 3. This is our balance equation. Now next, ammonium carbonate. NH4 twice CO3 is reacting with HCl. Ammonium carbonate is reacting with HCl. Gives ammonium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Ammonium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. I hope you are enjoying your lecture. First of all, left hand side and right hand side. So twice means ammonium ion is 2 times. So to multiply to all the elements inside bracket. Nitrogen 2 times. Yes. Hydrogen 4 to the 8. All the bracket multiply by 2. So nitrogen 2 times, hydrogen 8 times. But remember, a total 11. Here 1, so total 9. Carbon is 1 time. Oxygen is 3 times. Chlorine is 1 time. Here nitrogen only 1 time. Hydrogen 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, so 6. Here carbon is 1 time. Now here oxygen is 3 times. 2 plus 1, so 3 times. Chlorine here 1 time. Here also 1 time. Which elements atoms are same? Don't start with it. Yes. So carbon same, oxygen same, chlorine same. Now we have 2 choices, nitrogen and hydrogen, for starting balancing equation. Here hydrogen presents into different compound on left hand side. Here also hydrogen comes in different compound on right hand side. So don't start with hydrogen. So now we have one choice. So we have to start with nitrogen. So never try to mistake. Understood? Use my trick. Here nitrogen 2, here 1. So here 2. અહીંયા 2 નહીં મૂકવાનું. It is not allowed. આખા compound to the whole compound multiply by 2. So 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. Clear? Now nitrogen is balanced, but remaining will be changed. You can see here nitrogen 2, hydrogen 8, and chlorine also 2. Chlorine is 2 now. So here we have to multiply by 2. So 2 times chlorine and 2 times chlorine. Here hydrogen is changed, 4 2 ja 8. 8 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2, so 10 hydrogen on right hand side. Here you can see 4 2 ja 8, nitrogen 2, hydrogen 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2, so it is now 10. Carbon is 1 time, here is also 1 time. Now check out your oxygen, here 3, 2 plus 1, 3. This is our balanced chemical reaction. Understood? In your standard 10, reaction was combustion of methane. Yes, methane plus O2 gives CO2 and H2O. Methane burns with oxygen and gives carbon dioxide and water. For the balancing of this reaction, we will use our trick on left hand side and right hand side. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Yes, right hand side also carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Here number of carbon is 1, 4 is only multiplied to hydrogen, not to carbon. Carbon is 1. Here also carbon is 1, hydrogen 4 times. Here hydrogen 2 times, H2 means 2 times hydrogen. Oxygen 2 times. Here oxygen 2 plus 1, 3 times. Which atoms are same? So here you can see atoms of carbon are same. So don't start with carbon. Hydrogen and oxygen, we have 2 choices, but don't choose oxygen. Why? On left hand side oxygen is only in one place, but right hand side oxygen is in 2 different places. So it is not convenient for balancing. So we have to start with hydrogen. Why? Hydrogen comes in only one compound on left hand side, and here hydrogen is also comes in one compound on right hand side. So we have to start with hydrogen. Here hydrogen are 4. So 2 multiplied to 2. So whole molecule of H2O should be multiplied by 2. Don't take a bracket 2. It means 2 multiplies to whole molecule. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 oxygen. Here oxygen changed. 2 plus 2 4. Here oxygen is 4 now. So we are multiplying by 2. So here should be 2. So carbon 1 times, hydrogen 4 times, and 2 plus 2 4 times. This is our balance chemical reaction. Understood? Now next combustion of ethane. This one methane gas. Now ethane. When ethane react with oxygen, gives carbon dioxide and water. Clear? So now on left hand side and on right hand side, elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Here carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Here carbon 2. Here is 1. C2 means 2 times carbon. C 1 time. CO2 means oxygen 2 times, carbon is 1 time. O2 means oxygen 2 times. Here 2 plus 1, so 3 times. Hydrogen 6. Here hydrogen 2. No any elements are same. Number of atoms of the element are not the same. So carbon, yes, we have to choose carbon. Carbon comes here only one place. Here also in one place. So here should be 2. Carbon is balanced, but oxygen is changed. You can see 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 1 5. And here also hydrogen is not balanced here. Here 6. Here 2. 6 2. So here 3 2 ja 6. Then after oxygen we have to balance. Carbon 2, carbon 2. Hydrogen 6, 3 2 ja 6. Now 3. Multiply to oxygen. 3 times oxygen and 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 3 7 oxygen. For getting 7 oxygen we have to multiply by 3.5. Yes sir. 3.5 multiplied by 2 gives 7. 3.5 into 2, like 2 2 ja 4. 3.5 into 2, so 7. Otherwise 7 by 2 and multiply by 2. So 2 2 cut. So sometimes we are taking, yes, sometimes here in the balancing comes fraction also. Not all digit. Fraction comes also in the balancing of chemical reaction. Now what about propane? Yes. Propane, combustion of the propane. C3H8 plus O2 gives carbon dioxide and water. Propane when burns with the oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide and water. Here our trick, first step of trick, number of elements we have to take carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. And number of atoms of that element. Carbon 3. Here carbon 1. Hydrogen is 8. Hydrogen is 2. Oxygen 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Yes. We have to start with carbon. Why? All the elements having different atoms in both inside. So we are going to start with carbon. So carbon is 3. So multiply by 3. So 3 1 ja 3. It is balanced. Now hydrogen is 8 with hydrogen 8. So 4. Agar molecules ni agar 4 mukwan. We have to put the 4 I of the molecules. There should be 4. 4 2 ja 8. Now oxygen 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. And 4 1 ja 4. 6 plus 4, so 10. 10 oxygen here. Now So very simple. 5 to the 10. Here 5 comes. So this is our balanced chemical reaction. I hope everybody you enjoyed your lecture. If you liked, then you can like my video, subscribe, share, and best of luck. Take care of your health. Goodbye. We will meet with our new tricks. Myself Khadi sir. If you have any query, you can ask directly. My WhatsApp number is same. You can call me. Otherwise, message me. Bye, Khadi sir. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture.